In a significant legal development today, an appeals court has allowed an injunction blocking President Donald Trump's controversial executive order on birthright citizenship to stand. The Ninth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals rejected the Trump administration's request for an emergency order to put the nationwide injunction on hold. This marks the first time an appellate court has weighed in on the policy, which seeks to curtail automatic citizenship for children born in the U.S. to parents who are not U.S. citizens or lawful permanent residents. The ruling from the San Francisco-based court comes after U.S. District Judge John Kofenauer of Seattle issued an injunction declaring the executive order unconstitutional. The Justice Department had appealed to the Ninth Circuit, asking it to reverse the ruling, but the three-judge panel declined and set the case for oral arguments in June. Trump's executive order, signed on his first day back in office in January, sought to change the long-standing interpretation of birthright citizenship under the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. The policy would have prevented children born in the U.S. from automatically receiving citizenship if neither of their parents were citizens or lawful residents. The move is part of the president's broader crackdown on illegal immigration and border enforcement. However, Democratic-led states and immigrant rights groups have filed multiple lawsuits, arguing that the executive order violates the citizenship clause of the 14th Amendment. They point to a 1898 Supreme Court decision, United States v. Wong Kim Ark, which upheld birthright citizenship for children born in the U.S., regardless of their parents' immigration status. The Ninth Circuit's decision is a significant setback for the Trump administration's efforts on this issue, but the legal battle is far from over. The case could eventually make its way to the U.S. Supreme Court, where a final decision on the policy's fate will be made. The ruling also highlighted concerns over public confidence in the judicial system. U.S. Circuit Judge Danielle Forrest, who was appointed by Trump, noted that making a quick decision could undermine trust in the court's independence, emphasizing that the constitutional right to birthright citizenship has never been overturned by the judiciary. The legal battle continues, with states like Washington, Arizona, Illinois, and Oregon, along with several pregnant women, challenging the executive order. They argue that depriving children born in the U.S. of citizenship could impact more than 150,000 children born annually. As the case moves forward, all eyes will be on the U.S. Supreme Court for its ultimate ruling on this highly contentious issue.